ваше здоров'я. Hello, hola, привет. Thank you for coming over. We are having borscht. So, if you want to learn one of the simplest ways, follow along. If you have another way, leave it in the comments. So we're gonna need things like potatoes, beets, carrots, onion, garlic, dill, bay leaf, cabbage, salt, pepper, garlic powder, Knorr, dill. I like to pair mine at the end with sour cream. My husband does mayonnaise and we sprinkle the dill on it at the end. Cutting all your vegetables in cube size, making sure that one of each fits on top of a spoon. And here I divided each of the vegetables up in order that they will be going into the stew. So here I have the beets and the potatoes. Those will go first. And we will saute onion, garlic, and carrots. And the very last thing that we're gonna do is add the cabbage and dill. Bringing out this glass container, I will be adding garlic, onions, and then my meat. Here it's all organized. Then we're gonna add in a splash of sunflower oil or a pool, salt. Oh, and we're gonna go pretty heavy on that salt, making sure we're coating all the meat. And adding ground black pepper. Once again, we're gonna go ahead and coat that, making sure that all the meat is gonna be covered generously. Don't forget garlic. This is garlic and parsley, and again, we're going heavy. Adding a piece of onion to check if the pan is hot. Once our meat has browned, it is now time to add water. We're gonna add about 8 cups of water. Incoming the bay leaf. We're gonna let that cook for about an hour and a half and we'll get back to it. Potatoes with our bay leaf. Chicken broth, also known as chicken bouillon. Garlic, salt. Again, this is cooking with the heart, so add to your own taste. To a hot pan, we're going to add a generous amount of sunflower oil and saute carrots, onion, and garlic. Mixing every 3 minutes. I would say about 3 times. Switching the pan to the back burner and turning it off. This will be added to our stew a bit later. Right now is a good time to check the density of the potatoes and beets. I added the carrots to the cabbage so that it's easier to mix in with the potatoes and beets. They weren't ready the first time, so here I am checking them again. Sorry about the noise in the background. This stew takes about a good 3 hours, so had to keep myself busy. Alright, they seem like they're the same density, and now we're gonna add them all together so that they can cook for another half hour, I'd say. Mix, mix, mix. Gotta mix them up. Make sure everything gets evenly cooked. My favorite part, the taste test. Borscht готов. And then at the end, you could sprinkle it a little bit of dill on top of the mayonnaise or sour cream. It's whatever you choose. A sprinkle of dill from the heavens.